Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the side view mirror on a Toyota Rav4. Start by parking safely, disconnecting the battery, and lowering the window to access fasteners. Remove the interior door panel gently, note clip locations, and unplug the mirror connector. Keep screws organized and test the new mirror before reassembling the panel. Take your time and use a magnetic tray to avoid losing small parts during the swap. Warm up your hands and get comfortable with the panel clips before you start. Use a trim tool to pry the triangular trim piece off carefully and keep clips intact. Hold the mirror externally while you remove the bolts so it does not fall and scratch the paint. Once bolts are out, gently pull the mirror away and unplug the connector by depressing the tab. Place the old mirror aside and compare mounting points with the new unit. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle while working on cars because it seals well, stays cool, and fits most cup holders, great for long garage days. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When installing, align the new mirror carefully and feed the connector through the door hole to avoid pinching. Hand thread bolts first so threads seat properly, then tighten them snugly but do not over-torque. Reconnect the electrical harness and reattach the triangular trim to secure wiring. Before finishing, reconnect the battery and test mirror movement, heating, and turn signal if equipped. Reinstall the interior panel and confirm all clips are flush and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.